We're just recovering a Porsche here, quite a cool car. Once on the back of the bed, it's going to look even better. Wouldn't want it toppling over now, would we? Getting the rubbers out to fit the alloys, just so sometimes these split with the weight of the vehicles and we don't want the metal scraping on metal. Up we go. And down we go. That's another one done in the DAF Hiab. It's amazing how good and efficient these cranes are, lifting a 2.5 ton vehicle like it's nothing. Off to the body shop, on to the next job. Come on.